Hey guys, I wanted to jump on here really quickly and give you a short demo of DeepSeek. I know you have heard a lot about it in the last maybe week or so with its shock and awe introduction and all the news about how much money was lost by American companies. But you know me, I want to test it out and see how it works and if it can help save me time, make me money, you know, do the things that regular folks want AI to do for them. And for me, it's time saving, helps the brain research. One thing I really like about DeepSeek is its DeepThink R1, this section here, and it also has real time web search. So as I was trying to come up with, how do I demonstrate a prompt to show you how it works, I I started asking it questions, and it was doing the thing. So I'm just gonna record and let you see. This was the prompt. So I want a prompt. I want a prompt to show the disparaging health outcomes for North Tulsa residents versus other parts of the city and how it compares to the national average for African Americans and African American and Hispanic communities. This is a project I'm working on um, to try to get a fitness uh, system for one of our neighborhood parks. So, one of the supporting things that they need is this research on health outcomes. I know a lot of people have done these studies in Tulsa, the health department, and some others. I wanted to compare it to national averages. So I thought, well, hey, let's come up with first a prompt and then do the prompt and then see what we can get. So here we go. I'm going to just let it do its thing. So the first thing you'll notice is that it is thinking, right? So how it differs from ChatGPT, Gemini, and some of the tools that we are using today is that it is showing you the process, right? This, when you have this highlighted Deep Think R1 and then search, so you can see now it's like, okay, hey, let's tackle this. The user wants a prompt that shows, and then it gives everything that I asked for. And I didn't ask for a lot. Um, but now it's searching the web and looking for articles and studies. So remember, I'm just asking for a prompt. I'm not asking for the outcome just yet. So here we go. Prompt analyze it. Okay, here we go. And it's asking for all of this. So you guys are watching this with me, and I am going to use this prompt and see um, who. Okay, let's just. I'm just gonna copy and paste this because uh, this is what I asked for. All right, we'll see what it does here. We may not have time to go through all of it, but this is a good start. And it also found those resources or the sources. So I could actually go to these sources and find some of the answers as well. So now you can see I've did the prompt. Now it's thinking again. As an educator and a child of educators. Oh, now the server is busy. You silly Billy. I might have overloaded it. So I'm not the only person exploring with DeepSeek rather, and their DeepThink R1. Hopefully we'll get something. Now it is not as fast as ChatGPT and Gemini, right? Of giving you responses. One, because it is actually thinking, and so we'll give it okay. So let's give it one more shot. And if it doesn't give me the response while I'm on this recording, I will try it again and then I'll just add to this recording. Yeah, it looks like it's going to be tied up again. It is 6:15 in the evening, so I'm assuming people are on DeepThink doing their homework. Okay, so we'll come back and I will share a part 2 of this video so you can see the response. But we did get a prompt and we did watch it think. All right. Perfect. Okay, it is next day because I forgot to go back to this. So let's see if we can refresh this and it give us what we need. But if not, I will. Oh, no, here we are. Oh, shoot. I turned off. Hold on. I turned off the DeepThink. All right, because I was using it for something else before I did this. Okay, so let's try this again. Now we're thinking. I was like, why didn't we get the DeepThink? Because I turned it off. Okay, now here we are. Mm-hmm. Yep. I actually really like seeing the thought process. Mm-hmm. And you see links to sources. Uh-huh. Wow. Hmm. Okay. I I I don't even know what to say. That was pretty impressive, and now it's giving um, sources. University of Tulsa. Hmm. Jeez Louise. Um, can you list? Um, I'm blown away. See, and then this is if I need full citations, please specify. Huh, that's great. Yeah, no, I'm thoroughly impressed with DeepSeek right now, and I will probably be using this for for some projects. I don't know that I would replace ChatGPT because I have a lot of chats on ChatGPT that we're like building on, but I can certainly see how valuable this is to like work and brainstorming and getting ideas from brain to reality with supporting documentation that you can go back and visit. I see this valuable for schoolwork, for research, purposes, maybe not, to do research, but even just to find the sources that you want to use in your research. I don't know. I think the opportunities are endless here. So there you have it. DeepSeek with DeepThink R1 and search activated. So you saw what happened when I didn't have these things highlighted. So now you know. Happy exploring.